Imagine walking through a garden at night with no lamps, no artificial lights, just leaves and flowers softly glowing on their own. It sounds magical, doesn't it? Well, that magic is becoming real. Thanks to modern biotechnology, bioluminescent plants that glow autonomously, thanks to engineered genes, are now commercially available. Let's explore how they work, what's driving this breakthrough, and where this glowing revolution might lead. So first, what exactly is bioluminescence? It's a natural chemical reaction used by some living organisms like fireflies, jellyfish, and certain mushrooms to produce light. Scientists have now transferred the genes responsible for this glow into plants. The key lies in a group of genes taken from bioluminescent mushrooms. These genes control how a molecule called luciferin reacts with oxygen with the help of an enzyme known as luciferase to produce light. When these genes are inserted into a plant's DNA, the plant can generate its own luciferin and luciferase, allowing it to emit a gentle, continuous glow without needing any external chemicals or charging. This breakthrough moved from labs to homes in 2024. Companies like LightBio in the United States began selling their Firefly petunia after receiving approval from the US Department of Agriculture. These plants glow naturally in dark environments. The brightness is similar to moonlight or a faint nightlight. You won't be able to read a book by it, but it's bright enough to see the glow clearly in a dark room or garden. It's worth noting that USDA approval applies only to the United States, and availability may vary internationally due to local regulations on genetically modified organisms. If you're new to my channel, please check out my videos and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for your likes, shares, and subscriptions. And not all glowing plants rely on genetic engineering. In 2025, researchers in China developed non-GMO glowing succulents by infusing phosphoparticles into plant tissues. These succulents can emit soft multicolor glows under dark conditions, a different chemical-based approach compared to the gene-edited ones. But before you imagine replacing all your street lights with glowing trees, there are still challenges. The light output from today's bioluminescent plants is still quite low, not bright enough to serve as practical lighting. Scientists are now working on increasing brightness by improving how efficiently plants produce luciferin or enhance the luciferase reactions. Cost is another limitation. These engineered plants are still expensive compared to ordinary varieties. There's also the question of environmental safety. To prevent any uncontrolled spread, these bioluminescent plants are made sterile and are subject to regulatory oversight to ensure ecological safety. Okay. So where could this technology go next? We might soon see glowing plants used in decorative gardens, ambient home lighting, or art installations. Researchers are exploring larger glowing species like vines or small trees that could one day add sustainable light to parks or urban spaces. Beyond decoration, scientists are also studying how bioluminescent plants could act as living sensors, changing brightness in response to pollution or temperature changes. We're still in the early stages, but the recent progress shows that combining nature's chemistry with human engineering can create something truly new, living light. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in another exciting one soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.